Hey y'all, I've decided to try something out of my comfort zone and I kind of wanted to show it to you guys. So I decided to try to make a game for the Oculus Rift S. This guy. And so far I'm pretty happy. So I'm going through this tutorial sponsored by Unity and Oculus. And they've given me a lot of art assets to play around with. And all this, luckily, is given to me for free as part of this tutorial to learn how to use the Oculus framework inside of Unity 3D. But as I'm going through this tutorial, they're showing me how to do things. So what I've done so far is I've been able to import all this free assets, thanks to Oculus and Unity for providing that. But I've been able to put in the camera rig and then add in my hand controllers. And what I've done is I've actually assigned cubes to my left hand and my right hand. Very super simple, in which all the assets are theirs, but just the fact that I have installed Unity and imported all the stuff, and then I can actually click play and look at it in real life in my Oculus Rift is just amazing. I'm wondering what else I can do. So, you guys want to see what it looks like so far? Alright, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and get this bad boy ready. I'm going to click play on here. And let's see what happens. Okay, let's go ahead and turn... Oh, hey, looks like it's registering something. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to turn on the Oculus capture. And then I'll see you guys on the inside. Alright, here we go. Oh. Okay, where's my hands? There's my right one and my left one. I made cubes inside of a virtual world. This is awesome. Once again, not my art assets. I'm not this good, but just the fact that it's my VR headset looking at something that I just created inside of Unity 3D is amazing. It makes me wonder what else I can do. Maybe I can make a rubber ducky and like have rubber ducky float around. This is amazing. So the tutorial series is taking me through an escape room. So the idea of the tutorial series is to get out of that door right there. So the tutorial series is going to have me set up some things over there and some other things over there to help escape. It's going to be amazing to see how this goes. So, oh gosh. Just the fact that I've been able to import all this and get it running is awesome. It makes the possibilities endless, and I'm really looking forward to see what I can do with it. So I get to learn how to do virtual reality on Unity 3D, and it's also really making me learn how to record virtual reality on Streamlab OBS for Twitch later. So who knows, I might be doing some Beat Saber stuff on Twitch. Who knows? But yeah, it's been a while since I posted anything on Twitch or anything on YouTube. I've been really busy with the new job, and I'm loving it. And I'm planning on putting more things on YouTube and Twitch. So keep a lookout on my YouTube and Twitch. Look at the social media links up above the webcam. Go to those and follow me. And I'll be putting out a lot more stuff. I'm still working on reverse engineering. I'm still working on my 2D game. Now I'm working on the 3D VR thing. I'm working on C++, C, Python, and I still plan on posting all those. So, thank you for joining me in this first reveal of this new thing that I'm trying to get into, and thank you for going along on this journey with me. Talk to y'all later. Bye.